Hey there Free Fire warriors, wanna flex those spicy move mid-game? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emotes in Free Fire. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, launch Free Fire in your mobile device. Don't have emote yet. Hit up the store, go to collection, then emotes and grab the coolest one. You need diamonds to purchase them. Now head over to your vault, that's the backpack icon, and tap on collection. Scroll to the emotes. You can equip up to 8 emotes at a time. Just tap on the empty slot and select your favorite dance move, flex or taunts. After picking your favorite emote, hit save. Now jump into a match. Tap the little emote wheel button and start flexing on your enemies. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add emotes in Free Fire. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.